Today let us look at passing information through the form using post method. This is the preferred way of passing information through the form if it involves sensitive data, because the data isn't shown in the address bar of the browser. So I have created a folder called AA post form inside www folder of my WAMP directory, post form.php. I'll write a simple HTML form here. Let me take only 2 input fields. This is important. Method is post. I'll take name. Input field type is its text field. We should give unique name to all these input fields. I'll call it user. You can call it by any name. BR for line break. I'll take next field as company. Type is text as well. Name COMP. Now the submit button. Input type is submit. Let me give it a value. The text which will be shown on the submit button, it is submit info. That's it. Let's see how it looks on the browser. Locate the file, localhost AA post form. Inside that we have post form.php. So this is the design of the form. The names user and com of name and company input field should be passed on to a file. These fields have unique names called user and com. This should be passed to a file called post.php, which we are about to write. Save the file as post.php now. The information passed through the HTML form will be passed on to this file post.php. Since we are using post method there, we need to take $_post here. Since we are using, so we should use the exact names here. The exact name present in the form for each input field. The second input field name is com within single quotes. So we can use this, or we can assign the value to another variable. I'll call it $name is equal to, and $company is equal to this. Whatever information has been passed through the HTML form is now stored in $name and $company. Now we can use these values stored in these variables for our purpose. In this example, to keep it simple, I'm just echoing it to the browser. We can include the HTML tags inside here. So BR is line break, and I'm the CEO of the company. $comp. We can use those flower brackets, or we can leave it. Refresh. My name Satish, company is Technotip, our company name by the way. Submit info. The information has been submitted to post.php file and the output is shown here. My name is Satish, BR works here, so it comes to the next line. See here, the address bar won't show the information being passed, whereas in get method the information will be shown. As a proof, if we use this URL somewhere else, you won't get those information being passed by the HTML form. You need to go to this HTML form and then input. There is no other way. Whereas in get method we can directly pass the parameters to the address bar and get these information. There are various advantages associated with post methods. That is, there is no restriction of data size to be sent. We can send ASCII as well as binary data. And post method uses HTTP protocol. So HTTP protocol is by far the secure method of transferring the data. This is the HTML form. This is simple post.php. We shall echo it. Optionally, you can send it to the database as well. This is the simple example for post method. Please click on like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.